Hi, this is how to use the Simple Progress app. So I'm going to open it. And you're going to want to allow it to send you notifications so you can get the alarms. If you click on Don't Allow, the alarms will not pop up, but you can go to Settings and change that. So I'm clicking on Allow. And let's click on the bell on the bottom. And I'm going to turn the reminders on. So I click on the reminder time, and I'm going to do 9:13 p.m. and it's on. And if you do all of the alarms that pop up, then you will finish all the required experiences in less than a year. So let's see what that looks like. So what's going to happen first is Faith is going to be popping up, Faith 1. And it's going to go through all of these steps. This is for each day. So day 1, you're going to read Hebrews 11. And this will pop up on your phone, and when you click it, it will go right to Hebrews 11. You read the whole thing, and you click on Done. The next day, it's going to pop up with Alma 32. And you read it, and you mark Done. And then the next day, it goes on and on. The next one that will pop up is A Mother's Faith when that's complete, and then this one. And likewise, on and on with required experiences, all the bolded ones. Now let's say that you've already done a lot and you want to customize it. So go back to the home screen, and then you notice at the bottom it says 2 taps, experiences, quick check off. So I'm going to double click on Divine Nature. And I've already done this one and this one and this one. And then I'm going to close it. So you'll notice that they turned green. Green means it's completed. Red means it's in progress. So then when your alarms go through, it will not do the ones that are 100%, obviously. So it will just do the ones that are bolded. Let's say you don't really want to do Love for Family right now. I don't know why you wouldn't. But you want to do Obedience to Parents. So you just double tap, and that will pop up in your alarms. So the double tap and the bold shows you where your alarms are going to pull from. Now let's say you say, I don't want to do faith, I want to do knowledge. You hold on it and you bring it to the top, and that's what your alarms will start doing next. So let's go back to the home screen. You can type in your name, and my name today is June. And that's so that when you email yourself your journal and your progress, your leader can see it. So I'm clicking on the bottom left so that I can email my progress summary to my leader and show what I've done. So she can see and mark off in her book all of those things. I can also send my journal to myself. And I haven't written everything, but it will pop up for the journals. Let's go write something in the journal so you can see. I always choose knowledge. I don't know why. Okay, so memorize Article of Faith 13. I'm going to the journal, and I say, I did it. I'm so awesome. And then you can also click on all journal entries and see when and what you wrote. So you can go back to it and add to it. Now let's go back to this part, and I'll show you when you email the journal. It will show up which one you had it. You can paste it in your journal, print it, do whatever you want, but you have access to that. So that is our app. There's one more feature that's available in the iPhone, not the Android version. And that is if you go here, and for anything you plan to attend and exhibit, you want to create a calendar event. And then it will pop up so that you have a reminder in your calendar. And then the share, if you want to invite somebody, you can email or text them to come with you. So those 2 things are there to make it easier for you.